Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was born in Edinburgh, Scotland in 1859. He studied medicine at the University of Edinburgh, where he was taught by Professor Joseph Bell, a man famous for his keen observation skills. Doyle later said Bell inspired him when he created Sherlock Holmes. Doyle first worked as a doctor in Southsea near Portsmouth, but while waiting for patients, he began to write stories. His first Sherlock Holmes novel, A Study in Scarlet, was published in 1887. Although Holmes made Doyle famous, the author had many other interests. He wrote historical novels, science fiction, and adventure stories. He also became involved in public debates, even defending people who he thought were wrongly accused of crimes. One of the strangest parts of his life was his strong belief in spiritualism. He even supported the famous Cottingley fairies photographs, which were later shown to be fake. In 1891, Doyle moved to London with his family. He continued to write, but he also tried to keep his medical career active. Over time, though, his writing became his main focus. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle died in 1930. Today, he is remembered not only as the creator of Sherlock Holmes, but also as a man of wide interest whose work continues to influence literature and culture.